Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I cook this simple yet delicious oilless okro recipe. Let's get right into it. So in the beginning I added some water and then I'll go ahead to add my okro. So I do this to make sure that like the okro does not lose the slimeness. Okay, so yeah, just do not allow the water to boil before adding the okra. Just add it, and the water was not enough, so I added more water. And next I added this chopped onion into it. I gave it a quick stir and added some salt. Just add as much salt as you want, but be careful. So we will cover this and allow to cook for like 5 minutes. The moment it begins to boil, take off the cover, stir everything to combine, and then allow it to continue cooking for like additional 2 minutes or until it's well cooked. When it's ready, just take it off the fire. So next we are about to start. So this is garlic, ginger, onion, pepper that I blended or chopped. I'll add that to my pot and I'll just wash the bowl and then add the water to this, and I'll just give it like a quick stir just to make sure everything is together. And I'll go ahead and add like half cube, just this cube for taste. Okay, so you can choose to use any seasoning of your choice. Next you can add any protein bar. We are doing like fish. This is fried fish and shrimps. This is supposed to be like easy and quick recipe, so like it was just perfect because I had this and then I just wanted to make something more healthy. So yeah, next we'll add all our okra into this, and guys, like this recipe is super simple yet very delicious, so I went ahead and added in some water just to make sure that it's not so thick. You can add as much water as you want depending on your own preference. So I stirred everything together and I added my all-purpose seasoning. This has like oregano, thyme and all that. So next I just gave this a quick stir, and guys, if this is not calling you, then I don't know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you so much for the love. So the final touch, like we gave everything some quick stir, and guys, this is ready. You can serve this with your banku. I ate this with gari because I don't have banku in Japan. It's very sad, but yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.